feel amazing when I'm next to you. You make me feel so crazy. My heart breaks for you. Can't help but know that I'm still in love with you.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I hope that you guys are doing just great. So today is going to be a highly requested video. A lot of you guys wanted me to do this eye look that I have featured on my last video. Many of you guys requested it, so I figure I show you guys how I do it. And yeah, this is my favorite eye look so far that I've done, and really Valentine's Day type of look, and also like very like mystical effect. So if you guys want to learn how I got this look, just keep on watching. I will show you guys exactly how I achieved this eye look. Like always, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. And with that being said, let's go on and get started with the video. The first thing I'm going to go in with is going to be with my Laura Mercier powder. And I'm just going to put on some powder on my eyelid, so that way the eyeshadow adheres better to the eye, and that is usually what I do. You want to make sure you always prep the eyes before applying any eyeshadow or any makeup. We're also going to put it right underneath the eyes, since we are going to be working with some glittery eyeshadows and all that. I have like a huge ass pimple right on the corner of my nose, and it's the worst pimple ever that I've had in a long time. I swear I never get like huge pimples, but when I do, I get it such in a random spot that it's like, why there, you know? But anyways, we're gonna go in with this palette, and this one is one that I found at TJ Maxx probably maybe last month. I've been using it actually a couple times this month. I love this palette so much, and if you guys are interested in this palette, you can find it also at TJ Maxx. They do sell this palette there for, I think it was going about $25 when I did find it. I am going to take a fluffy brush. I'm going to take the Morphe R35 brush, and I'm going to go in with the eyeshadow, that pink eyeshadow right there, and we're going to put that all over the eyes. This is going to be the transition for the whole eye look. So I wonder what you guys are going to do for Valentine's. Let me know if you are going to try this eyeshadow look that I will be doing. But if you guys want more of a subtle Valentine's Day look, let me know as well, because I can do that too. But I feel like, why not go dramatic, right? All right, guys, so that is pretty much the eyeshadow. As you can see, it's nice and blended. The color is so pigmented. It's looking good. The next color that we're going to go in with is going to be this color here, which is a purpley shadow. And we're actually going to put this right in the outer corner. And we're also going to bring it right in the forward. And I'm taking my Morphe 518 brush to do this. When you're doing any eyeshadow, you guys, you always want to make sure that there aren't any harsh lines. That is my #1 pet peeve when it comes to eyeshadows. When you see harsh lines, I just want to like blend it because it doesn't look good, you know? So you want to make sure that you blend your eyeshadows. Now we're going to go in and create the cut crease for this look. So I'm going to take a tapered brush just like this. You guys can take also a concealer brush, whatever you have on hand to create that cut crease. Now you're going to take your middle finger or your index finger and just dab the corner there just to make sure it blends perfectly. Now I'm going to let the concealer and everything set, just because you want to make sure that your concealer is fully dry before you move on to the other look, to the eyeshadow that we're going to go on. So I'm going to go in with this color right here. We're going to lay that right in the inner corner. It's a very pretty glittery shade. It adds so much beautifulness to this look. Now for the fun part of this makeup look, I'm going to go in with a chunky glitter that I used, and this one is from a brand called Violet Voss. This is the packaging. It's very beautiful. I love the packaging, and that is the glitter, you guys. It's so pretty. Now this glitter is very chunky, so you want to make sure that when you do apply, you do use a glitter glue, because for me, glitter glue is what keeps your glitter in place and it's not going to move anywhere. So you definitely want to use a glitter glue. And this one is from Too Faced. It's a glittery shadow primer. And this is the glitter glue that we're going to be using. So I'm going to grab the glitter glue and we're just going to place it right in the corner here. And you want to kind of almost do it as a V shape right in the outer corner. Is you also want to, with your fingers, you kind of want to like dab it so that way it's not super clean looking. It's a little bit messy. Now with this brush, we're going to grab this glitter over here, this chunky glitter. Before the glitter glue dries, we're going to pick that up and we're going to place it right in the outer corner. And also right there. I probably recommend you guys not do your foundation before doing the eyes. And make sure that you just do your eye look first, then your foundation, just because you can get glitter all over the place. But I think we did okay. I mean, it doesn't seem like it really got anywhere else, so that's okay. We're gonna now go in with a Pretty Easy by Clinique, which is a black eyeliner, and it's one of my favorite eyeliners. I've used this in many tutorials. I think it's such a great eyeliner, and I'm gonna make the eyeliner very thin, almost like tight lining my eyes. Only a thin layer of the eyeliner. We're not gonna make it chunky at all. This is just so that way when you do apply your falsies, that it doesn't look awkward or weird. We're not gonna go all the way out. We're just gonna only go halfway. I know it looks a little bit weird right now, but once we put the eyelashes on, we're gonna be okay. So the lashes that I'm gonna be using is going to be these from the brand Lily Lashes. It's very dramatic. It's called in the style Miami, and very dramatic, which is perfect for this eye look. So while my lashes are drying, I'm gonna go in with the Superhero mascara by It Cosmetics. It's a mini one and it's in black. I'm just gonna do that really quickly. I always give my lashes a little bit of a push right after I apply them, just so that way I know that they are going to stay put. This is pretty much the eye look, you guys. It's already done. The only thing we're gonna do now, we're gonna go do the bottom part of the eyes, and I'm gonna go back to the MAC Fashion Fanatic palette, and I'm gonna take these same colors and we're gonna do the same thing, what we did on the top to the bottom eye. I'm gonna take the color here, which is that pink shade, and we're gonna put that right underneath the eyes. And we're also gonna take that purple shade here, and we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna put that actually right on the outer corner. So now I'm gonna go in with my Buxom Call Me eyeliner. So I'm gonna go in with the rest of my face, and the two palettes that I'm gonna be using are gonna be these palettes from Sigma. Now, I've been loving these two palettes a lot lately. It pretty much has everything I need. So now I'm gonna go in with my Sigma Beauty Sculpt Highlight and Contour palette. I am gonna go in with the color here in the middle, which is called Rose Shade. I'm gonna take my Sigma Soft Angled Contour Brush, and it is called F23. This brush is so soft, you guys. Really soft, really soft, which is why I really like this brush. I don't know if you guys have ever noticed, but I tend to be really dark on my forehead, and then the rest of my face, I'm like light as a ghost. I'm gonna now go in with the Sigma Blush Palette, and this palette is also my favorite. I've been using it a lot lately, and I'm not just saying that because I am affiliated with them. I'm saying it because I really feel like this palette is amazing. The pigment is really good. You can definitely build the blush color as you please, and you do get a variety of shades. You get from light to medium blushes. You get also like matte and shimmery blushes as well. But I'm gonna go in with my favorite shade from this, which is called Mod Mauve, and it is this color over here. And I'm gonna take it with my Sigma Powder Blush brush, and I'm going to take that, and like I said, make sure that you don't go in too hard because it is quite pigmented. I really go a little bit light when it comes to my blush, and then you can build from there, because if you do go harsh on your blush, then you cannot go back. This next product that I'm going to be using is actually going to be as a highlight, and this product is actually from the Jeffree Star Valentines and mystery box unboxing that I did on my last video. And this is one of the products that I received in the mystery box, which is the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Skin Frost Regina George. It's so beautiful. I'm going to go in with my Morphe M510 brush. And what I like to do is just place this right on my cheeks. You know, sometimes when the sun hits you and you've been like sunbathing outside the sun for a long time and you get that like blushy effect to your face, it kind of like gives me that type of look I feel with this. We're going to move on to our lips now, and I'm going to take my MAC Staunchly Stylish Lip Aligner and we're going to just align the lips with this. The lips, I'm going to use this one from Jeffree Star. It's called the Velour Liquid Lipstick, and it is in the shade Can't Relate, which is a beautiful shade. It's more like a nudie pink, but I do like it. I love the packaging. You guys know I'm all about packaging, and this packaging is amazing. So now I'm going to go in with my setting mist now that the face is fully done. And I'm going to go in with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. By the way, if you are wondering what I went with my foundation, I did go with the Hourglass Foundation Stick. And this one is in the shade Sand, which is one of my favorite foundations. And then I also went in with the Tarte Shape Tape for my concealer. If you are wondering where I got all these products, I will leave it down below in the description box if you are interested in buying that glitter, chunky glitter from Valor Voss. I will leave the link down below. But anyways, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Mwah. Adios.